PowerHill series installation video. The directory is divided into 5 parts. Part 1 Installation Preparation. Caution. Tools needed. Personal protective equipment. Cable preparation. Part 2 Product installation. Stay away from sources of fire, hospitals, leaks, and other places. Installation environment inspection. Level requirements. Unloading preparation. Before unpacking, please check the packaging for any damage or wet. If so, please contact your dealer or manufacturer. Remove the cover plate. Remove the front and rear fixing bolts before installation. Remove the slot cover to the foundation by forklift. Rear cover plate. Front and rear cover display. Horizontal inspection. Major tolerance. Installation complies with the design requirements. Product transportation. Can use a crane. Keep a distance to prevent paint from being knocked off. Check the fit of the feet. Please make sure that the PowerHill base fits perfectly with the foundation. If there are any gaps, ensure the surface is leveled. Part 3 Cabinet inspection. Check the appearance of the PowerHill product. If any damage, rust, and paint loss, please inform the dealer or manufacturer and check correct, clear, and complete identification. Check the accessories inside the cabinet. Ensure all devices inside the cabinet are secure, with no loose or fallen components. Verify that all circuit breakers are in the off position. Verify that the appearance of each battery pack is free from any damage or defects. List of accessory boxes, confirmation of materials and quantities according to the accompanying delivery list. Tool reparation. Ensure the outdoor cabinet shell is securely fixed and the cabinet body is level. Each cabinet door can be opened normally and closed tightly. Part 4 Cable connection. Preparation of wiring tools. Remove the screw position. Remove the cable channel panel. Cable connection. Connect the cabinet ground before connecting the PE cable. Each cabinet has at least 2 grounding points and grounded firmly. Lap resistance of less than or equal to 4 ohms. Wiring holes for each cable. Priority ground connection. Ensure phase sequence is consistent. Torque wrench value. Remove the screw position. PV positive and negative cables. Communication cable threading hole. Third-party EMS communication connection cable. The switch position is in remote. MCCB1, MCB1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All circuit breakers are in off status. Cleaning the cabinet. Fire drain valve is closed. Part 5 Installation Preparation. Power on inspection. Connect the maintenance switch. Turn on the DC switch in the control box. Turn on surge protector switch MCB5. Open AC circuit breaker MCCB1 and MCB1 to 3 4. Open them all.